Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the tag light on Volkswagen Touareg. Okay, this one right here. So stay with us guys, we'll show you how to do that now. If your license plate, rear license plate tag light is not working, it's not very complicated procedure. Okay, to do that, all you have to do is get a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, and you need to remove 2 screws depending on which side doesn't work for you. Left or right are identical, we'll just demonstrate on one of them. Okay, so we'll go ahead and remove this one quick. Okay, second screw now. Okay, now you need to just pry it out of there. Okay, like that, and no kidding, our light doesn't work. Everything inside is pretty much broken. Okay, so actually it does come out, so you can actually put it together. You just need to push it in. Okay, and this is the light, and if you want to remove the whole assembly, all you need to do, just squeeze these things here, those two, and you can pull the whole assembly out. So when you're ready to pull the bulb out, all you have to do is spread the 2 things. Okay, put the bulb and pull it out. Next, all you have to do, connect the wires, push it in, and install. Okay, and install the 2 screws. That's it guys, thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.